In this video, let's learn how to schedule to enable dark mode. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to display option. In here you can see these two options, light mode and dark mode. You can schedule to enable dark mode. Click on this dark mode settings option. You can enable this turn on as schedule option. Okay, after you can see this custom schedule. To schedule this dark mode, click on this set schedule option. In here you can select start in time and here you can select end in time. After you can click on done button. In this method you can schedule to enable dark mode automatically.